Hello, with you here is Steven, and today we are going to be treating the zero page in AutoCAD. When you load your AutoCAD workspace, the first thing you see is the zero page. And what the zero page comprises of is, let's dive in. The zero page comprises of the notifications right here. And the notifications help you view notifications and messages from Autodesk to you. Autodesk can send you messages on how your product is being run, the updates, and the expiry date of your product if you're using a paid product, right? And it can also suggest to you commands that you can try each day as you use its product. Now, the next thing you see just below your notification is the connect. Now, the connect, which is just about here, permits you to connect to your Autodesk account and view the contents of your Autodesk account. That's what the connect does for you. Right here at the center is where you find your recent documents. The recent documents are just here. This is where you find your recent documents. Now, the recent document always stores your document in order of the date when it was last edited, right? If you check it now, if you look at your bottom right here, you can manipulate how the recent document part is going to appear. How do you do that? When you select the options here, the first option here would minimize it to this format. The second option was what we just came from, which is this. And the third option will make it bolder, which is this format. Now, if you are in the first option and you have several things you're working on, how you can adjust that is to pin the ones that are most important to you at that current stage. How do you do that? When you check towards the side, you see that there are pins here. Currently, I pinned the new sheet set. If I unpin it now, it goes back to the bottom and it arranges everything according to the date. Now, if I pin something, for instance, what does it do? It moves it on top. So whatever you pin is going to pop up at the top of your recent documents, and the others are going to fall just below that. Now, towards your extreme left, what you see is the get started space. So let's highlight that. So this is the get started space. What does it do? It helps you get started with the drawing. The first option here is start drawing. So when you click on start drawing, it permits you to open the drawing area. We are going to check that now. When you click on start drawing, it permits you to open the drawing area. So let's click on start drawing and see what it does. So start drawing opens the AutoCAD workspace for you to use. This is the AutoCAD workspace. By default, it takes you to the home tab, right? So we are still on the zero page. So we're going to close this. So you move your cursor to your almost top, right here. There's an X sign. Click on it. Left click and it closes and takes you back to the zero page. Now, at the start drawing area, you have your templates. When you click on the drop down, what you notice is it has different templates that you can use and draw. By default, it usually selects AutoCAD.dwt, which is the default template to be used in AutoCAD. If you scroll down, you're going to see several options for sheet sets, which you can use in your drawing. Let's close this. Just below this, we have open files. Now, if you click on open files, what it permits you to do is to type in the file you want to open. So click on open file and it's permitting you to type. And currently I have a file named day1. Let me check that. So when I say day1 and enter, what happens? It opens the file named day1. So this is my day1. This is what I have in my day1. So I can close this and move on. Close it back to the zero page and let's keep working on the zero page. Do I want to save these changes? No. So on the zero page, we see I've open sheet set. So whatever sheet set you want to use in drawing, you can find it here. Now get more templates online. If the templates currently featured in templates here, it's not enough for you. You can get more templates online to add to that, and you can explore sample drawings from AutoCAD. So if you click on explore sample drawings, what happens is sample drawings are, you pick what sample drawing you want to explore, right? When you type it, it opens it immediately. So by default, it's currently selecting day one for me because that's the last sample drawing I checked. So I can pick something else and check it out. Then I can escape this, and that's all for the zero page.